Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee, and I'm really glad you're here. This is the channel where we are going to talk beauty on a budget. So if you love to look beautiful, you love your surroundings to look beautiful, you love seeing beautiful things and wearing beautiful things, but you don't want to spend $1 million, click the subscribe button right now because I'm your girl. We talk beauty on a budget, and I love to take you thrifting and find ways to save money but look amazing, like $1 million. So today we are going on a road trip. We're going to Springfield, Massachusetts. I took my girls on a weekend girl trip, and we decided to go to Springfield. We wanted to thrift, we wanted to do facials, we wanted to do all kinds of stuff. So for the next couple of weeks, you'll get to see what we did in Springfield, Massachusetts. Today, we are going to a Goodwill and a Salvation Army. The only problem was when we got there, it was an hour before closing. But you can count on me. I like to power shop. So we power shopped at the Goodwill and at the Salvation Army, and I'm getting ready to show you what the haul is all about. But first, let's take a look at the video of thrifting.
Hey vlog, it's me Trinity. I know you love our little chats, so I'm gonna take you for a little bit. We are here in Massachusetts, shopping at the Salvation Army. Hope you can hear me. There's only like 10 minutes left in the store before they close. So we are looking around. I think I got a pretty good haul.
So as you could tell there, I was rushing to get shots because I really wanted to focus on shopping. So I did get a couple of really nice things on this trip. Well, more than a couple. So here we go. It's time for the haul. I'm going to start out with items that are definitely not in season, but I could not pass them up. The Salvation Army was having 50% off of all clothes, so I went ham. I got this beautiful jacket. It's by Gallido, and it's a faux fur type of jacket. It's knee length, and I just really loved it. It's really comfy, and you know I have a thing for jackets. I can't deny them. I just love to get jackets, and I love to wear outerwear, even though I'm never really outside. So I got this, and it was just such a steal at 50% off. So the next item I got, before I put it on, I wanted to show you the tag. It's by Mighty Mac. It's a vintage jacket, and I just could not pass up this beauty. It is a vintage corduroy jacket that is completely lined, and it's just, the color, the texture of it, I just really loved it. And I thought it was a great kind of, casual type of jacket, and great for some jeans and a t-shirt, and just really kind of something to just throw on and go. I love it. Tapestry is all the rage right now, so I could not pass this up. This was another one that I got that was 50% off. And I really love this tapestry jacket. And what I like about it is there's so many colors, you can pop any color out. So as you can see, I'm wearing my blue blouse and I'm popping some of the blue from the tapestry out. And you've got the collar, and then just pull out your sleeves a little bit, and then it really brings out the blue of the jacket. But I can do that with black, gold, red, any of the colors that you see in this jacket. Love it. Houndstooth is not something that I normally wear because it does not read well on camera. And as you know, I'm a news anchor, so I'm always very conscious of picking textures and fabrics that really do translate well on TV. So even here on this camera, I don't think it translates as well as it does in person. But this is from Jaclyn Smith. I really like how it's got the darts right here, so it's really tapered into the waist. Really great fitting. I just don't feel like the camera does it justice, but I do love this jacket. I really do believe in buying out of season because you can get some really good gems. This is a white stag wool blazer, and it truly is kind of Christmas colors. If you think about it, it's, black, green, gold, and red. But to be honest with you, I loved the tailored look. I do prefer one button blazers because I do have a long waist. And I thought that this would be good to pull out in the fall and winter. And you know what? My closet, it'll just save a little place for it and hold it until I'm ready to wear. Alfred Dunner does it again. This is one of the designers that is quickly becoming one of my favorites because I really do love the designs of Alfred Dunner shirts. So here it is tucked in. This is how I would wear it, but there are several ways that you could wear it. If you're feeling a little frumpy, you can go ahead and pull it out all the way, and you can wear it all the way down because it has like a little expandable waistband that you could put on your hips, or if you wanted to, you could fold it up, and there you go. You have 3 different ways you can wear this Alfred Dunner shirt. I just love it. I love the colors. I love the V-neck. I love everything about it. This blouse is by Como Blue, and what sold me about it was the arms. I really love the sleeves. They're big and billowy. I love them. And it has a texture. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a ribbed form of a dress shirt. And I really loved it. Now this is a very big shirt. And what you can do is you can tuck it in and make it more form-fitting, or you can puff out a little bit, or if you wanted to, you could pull it all the way out and you could belt it. So, there is a lot of flexibility in this blouse, and that's what I like about it as well. But really, it was all about the sleeves. All of a sudden, Talbot's is on my radar. I really cannot believe it, but yes, I'm wearing a Talbot shirt, and I really love it. I've kind of started to notice it more. And what I really love about this shirt is, first of all, the color. It's a lot of color, but it's not too busy of a pattern. But look at this neckline, okay? So a lot of people look at your face. You want people to look at your face. And so I always look for an interesting neckline for a shirt. And this one sure has it. And as a bonus, I'm throwing in these 2 dresses that I got online. I bought them on Etsy from Haley's Thrift Haul. Haley does YouTube videos about vintage shopping, and these were a couple of the dresses that she had up for sale on her Etsy shop, and I just had to jump and buy them. I really love the pink. Pink is really in right now, so I had to jump on the pink train, and I've always loved pink, but I figured why not just add a couple pink items into my wardrobe. So this is dress number 1, and it's so cute. Look at the detail. Oh, this is something special. Look at the peplum on this. It's so pretty. And this is the other dress that I thrifted from Haley's Thrift Haul. And look at the flowers. Look how beautiful this dress is. The only trouble I'm having is these are way too tight because I have so much muscle. These are way too tight, but I just might fold them under and make it a 3/4 sleeve instead of a, not a 3/4 sleeve, a half sleeve instead of a 3/4 sleeve. I'll have to figure it out. This right here makes it all worthwhile. How cute is this? I can even put a little belt with it. I don't know, I'm in love. Not too bad for just about an hour of shopping, huh? I found some really good gems, but guess what? It gets even better. Next week, I'm going to take you to a Savers where I had hit the jackpot. I got some amazing finds, so you're gonna wanna keep tuned into this channel. If you haven't already, like and subscribe right now. Click the button right below, because next week we are going to go to a Savers in West Springfield, Massachusetts. We are having a great time on this trip, and we wanna take you along with us. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. I truly appreciate it. We are making our way to 1,000 followers. When we get there, we are going to do a giveaway. So if you haven't found any incentive just yet to subscribe, that's your big incentive. You want to get in on the prize, because the people who are subscribed are going to be eligible to win. So I will see you next week. And until then, have a great day. Bye. Love you.